Good night, everyone. My name is Cristian Mauricio Ortega Duarte. I am studying Business Administration at UNAD, and my group is 125. Today I'm going to talk about the 30th Agricultural and Commercial Fair from Saravena, Arauca. Saravena, Arauca is located in the northeast from Colombia, especially in the Orinoquia region. Those are the landscapes you see in the city. Main bridge, it's called Bojaba Bridge, the Bojaba River, and the church. So, about the fair, the Regional Committee of Farmers of Sarare, with the help of the municipal mayor, are the organizers of this fair every year. This year was the 30th Agricultural and Commercial Fair. These are the schedule for every day you participated on the fair. The fair was from the 7th to the 11th of November. So, I'm going to talk about three activities you can do in this fair. First one, the Coleo of Bulls competitions. This activity is a sport tradition in that Colombia region. The idea of this sport is to let a bull run on a racetrack, and a horseman has to grab the bull's tail to get it down and get it spin. For every spin, you get points in three different categories. Bell, 1 spin, little bell, 2 spins, and whirlpool, more than 3 spins. Second one, the dairy cow contest. If you are a farmer and have a dairy cow, you are able to participate. The idea of this contest is that your dairy cow produce the biggest quantity of milk to win the contest in 3 sections of the fair, 2 on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. And finally, the agricultural exposition. You can buy agricultural products from the farmers and some animals if they are on sale. If you are a farmer, you can sell your agricultural products that you have sown in your farm and sell some of your farmer animals, like cows, calves, goats, hogs, and horses. And finally, these are the typical costumes for a horsewoman or horseman farmer. This costume, it's called poncho, and these are the typical music that it's called llanera music. Thank you very much.